Hello everybody, welcome. I got here today something I've wanted since I was a teenager, and it's a shame it didn't become more popular. Microsoft's SideWinder Strategic Commander. I don't plan on playing some old games with it, even though I wanted, I just don't have the time. But I want to use it to play Flight Simulator and to use it as a productivity device. I really like the concept, the idea, and for me it's very sad Microsoft didn't follow up with the concept. And honestly, Microsoft stopped doing cool things ages ago. On the back of the box, the usual Microsoft era tons of text in boxes. Play as fast as you can think. SideWinder Strategic Commander brings your strategy gameplay to a new level, helping by allowing you to move, deploy, and command your force faster and more efficiently. Yada yada yada. You get also an axis control, up, down, left, and right, like a joystick with analog zone, multiple buttons with shift functionality, macro recording function. Also, you can switch function banks by sliding a button. I'm not sure if this is going to work with new Windows. And here, I remember playing a lot of chess here. Microsoft Gaming Zone, at the time it was called Internet Gaming Zone. Outdated, but I had, not outdated, but out of production, out of service for years now, but used to be a very cool place online. On the bottom we can have a quick look at the system requirements. It's asking for a Pentium 166 or higher, Windows 98 USB port, 16 megs of RAM, 25 megs of hard disk space, DirectX 7, quad speed CD-ROM drive, VGA, Super VGA monitor. You need sound capability for Internet Explorer, for instructional video, a mouse, a printer if you want to print the profiles, and well, copyright year 2000. And here in the copyright information you get also Microsoft Age of Kings, DirectX, IntelliMouse, SideWinder, and Windows, and so on. Going to the mandatory leaflets, an ad for the SideWinder Force Feedback 2, which I own. It's excellent, and with some plugins you can still use it to Flight Simulator 2024, including with forces. The plugin is really nice actually. On the back, Microsoft SideWinder Game Voice. There was a gamepad for talking to your teams and so on. I don't know if they still support it for anything. I guess it's just a gaming device that you can assign the buttons to some functions. User guide, multiple languages, simple, I guess. Install the software and do with it what you will. CD-ROM for Windows 98, and the thing itself, which is huge. Very shiny on the bottom, looks fresh. The control surface is quite smooth. The buttons are reasonably clicky, and I thought it was going to be harder to push around, but it's quite smooth. The button banks here, recording button, 3 shift buttons, and yeah, quite comfortable on the palm. I think it's gonna be great for Flight Simulator.